The settings in the upper left corner can change the overall parameters of a model. What should I do if I want to change the parameters for a specific set of layers? Click on the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the settings card. You can choose a vertical section, measured in millimeter, on the model for adjustment. After selection, a small setting button will appear alongside with a new item in the object list. You now can change the parameters for the set of layers of the selected model here. It is possible to change a large number of print settings, including layer thickness, infill density, printing speed and printing temperature, etc. You can add as many sections of layers as you want. The following is a demonstration of the actual operation. For example, to improve adhesion to print bed, I would like to decrease speed, increase print temperature, and switch off part cooling fan for the first 20 layers. Then we can first select the bottom 4 mm of the vase. Enter the settings page. Slow down the printing speed and increase the temperature by 20 degrees. And turn off the part cooling fan. Finally, we can confirm the modifications in the print preview mode.